हेलो फ्रेंड्स, फिजिकल एजुकेशन यूपी टीजीटी DSSB KVS NVS राजस्थान पीटीआई मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट MCQ फॉर्मेट क्वेश्चंस आर अवेलेबल. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चंस ऑफ दिस सीरीज 21st नंबर. अमृत दीवान कब इज एसोसिएटेड विद बास्केटबॉल, बिलियर्ड्स, बॉक्सिंग, बैडमिंटन. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज द राइट आंसर फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन नंबर 21? First question's answer is given badminton is the right answer. D is correct answer. Next question is given which disease is transmitted from infected mammals to man? Rabies, chickenpox, malaria, AIDS. Second question's answer A, B, C or D is the right answer. For this question number 22, rabies is the correct answer. A is right answer. Next question is given equation to training load at high altitude is known as supercompensation, thermoregulation, acclimatization, fatigue. Which of the following is right answer? A option, B option, C or D option? Twenty-third right answer is given acclimatization. C is right answer. Next question is given 24th. Which of the following is not considered a component of school health education program? Health training, health instructions, health services, health supervision. For UP TGT PGT English medium notes are available in MCQ format. Contact 9621819209 and fee is only 500 rupees. Question number 24th right answer is given. Mostly in students attempt A option. Health training is the correct answer. A is the right answer. Next question is given. Naidu Trophy is associated with cricket, chess, golf, football. Which is the right answer? A, B, C or D option. Next question is given. Physical education is that field of education which deals with the muscle activities and their related responses is defined by J.B. Nash, J.F. Williams, Charles A. Butcher, H.C. Buck. This statement is related to who defined this statement? J.B. Nash is the right answer. A is correct answer. A is the right. Next question is given. Shortening of the muscle occurs during which type of contraction? Eccentric contraction, muscular strength, isokinetic, concentric contraction. 27th is the most important questions for NVS, KVS, DSSB, UP TGT, Rajasthan PTI, Jharkhand PTI. Right answer is given concentric contraction. D is the right answer. Eccentric contraction is wrong. Concentric contraction is the correct answer. Next question is given. A disease that spread from one organism to another through body contact or interpersonal contact with the personal effect is known as communicable disease, contagious disease, infections, AIDS. Which is the right answer for this question number 28? Right answer is given contagious disease. B is correct answer. Next question is given. Duration of mesocycle is very most important question. Mainly this question is given in examinations. C is the correct answer, 4 to 6 weeks. Next question is given, which of the following training method work on the natural rhythm of work and test? Continuous method, alternating pace method, fartlek training method, interval training method. Question number 30. Which students want to join paid group 9621819209, contact on WhatsApp, and want to MCQ format PDF in English medium? Payment is completed only 500 rupees by phone pay, Google Pay, Amazon Pay, Paytm account pay, WhatsApp payment, and get all PDFs of MCQ format questions in English medium physical education. Question number 30's answer is given D. Interval training method is the right answer. Next question is given 31st. What should be the intensity for improving acceleration ability? 75% to 100 meter percent and 75 to 100%, 40 to 70%, 50 to 75 meter percent, यानी 70% to 90%. 31st is the right answer given A, B, C or D option. Important for NVS examination which is conducted in this month November. 31st right answer is given 75% to 100%. Next question is given, primary groups are those groups in which members live in face-to-face relationship with one another is defined by McDougall, C.H. Cooley, Lieben Summer. Most important, this definition is given by primary groups are those groups in which members live in face-to-face relationship with one another is defined by MC Dougal is the right answer. McDougall is the right answer. 31st, 32 B is the right answer. C.H. Cooley is the correct answer. A is not right answer. Next question is given 33. Which flexibility training method tricks of receptors organs in the muscles and joints allowing the limbs to increase their range of movements? First option is given static stretching. Second option passive stretching. C option proprioceptive neuromuscular facilitation. D option is active stretching. 33. Very most important question. Right answer is given passive stretching. B is the right answer. B is correct answer. Next question is given 34. Lady Ratan Tata Trophy is related. Important for UPTGT. Mainly questions are given previous examination of TGT. This type questions are very important. Very easy but technical questions which answers are very confusing. B is the right answer. Lady Ratan Tata Trophy is related to hockey. Next question is given, in which years Bharat Ratna award was conferred to Sachin Tendulkar? Confusing question is given. 35. Conferred, this line is very important. C or A? Which of the following is the right answer? C is the right answer. This sentence is very important. Next question is given, who was conferred with Adidas Golden Ball in 2014 Football World Cup? James Rodriguez, Ronaldo, Diogo Forlan, Lionel Messi. 36. A, B, C or D is the right answer. A is very most important questions and very most important for this UP TGT. A option is correct answer. Next question is given 37th. An exercise diet procedure that elevates muscles glycogen stores to concentrations 2 to 3 times normal is termed as glycogen sparing, glycogen loading, glycogenesis, glycosine. Thirty-seventh, glycogen loading is the right answer. B is correct answer. Next question is given 38th. When there is a running radius in 400 meters, track is 36.81 meters, what will be the distance of a straight? 84.90 meters, 83.30 meters, 84.31 meters, 85.10 meters. Who students want to get PDFs in English medium physical education, contact this number and completing payment only 500 rupees by Phone Pay, Google Pay, Amazon Pay, Paytm, WhatsApp payment, and send screenshot on this number and get all PDFs. Question number 38, the right answer is given C, 84.31 meters. Next question is given, which among the following is not a pranayam? Ujjayi, सूर्य भेदन, शीतली, नौली. Which among is the following is not a pranayam? Second and last question. D, Newly is the right answer. D is the correct answer. Next question is given, ELISA and Western blot test are generally used to detect malaria, typhoid, jaundice, HIV. Important question. Today's series last question is given, ELISA and Western blot test generally used to detect. Right answer is HIV, acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. D is the correct answer. Next question series is given next day